Want to start a blog but don't know how to write, research, or even design it? With AI, the entire process, from niche selection to promotion, has become faster and more efficient. Here's a complete step-by-step guide to setting up an SEO-optimized blog using powerful AI tools. Step 1. AI Blog Setup. Before you write your first post, you need a blogging platform. While there are options like Wix, Squarespace, and Medium, WordPress is the best choice for SEO and customization. It helps you optimize your content with plugins like Rank Math SEO and Yoast SEO. WordPress websites are easily customizable, offering thousands of themes and plugins. Instead of designing your blog manually, use an AI-powered website builder like DeepSeek. Automatically creates a blog structure based on your niche. If you want to create a free website with the help of a free domain and free hosting, watch this video. I have shown the details in this video, so I will not waste time in today's video. Step 2. Pick your niche using AI. A niche is a specific topic that your blog will focus on. Choosing the right niche is crucial to standing out in a crowded market. How does AI help find profitable niches? Ask ChatGPT or DeepSeek. Suggest less competitive blog niches for 2025. Choose a niche that balances low competition and high search demand. Try using Google Trends. Step 3. AI Keyword Research. Once you have a niche, use AI to find low competition SEO keywords that can help your blog rank faster. Tools for AI keyword research. ChatGPT prompt. Give me low competition SEO keywords for your niche. Analyze keyword difficulty using Ubersuggest/Ahrefs. Identify growing trends using Google Trends. Step 4. Writing with AI. Now, the fun part: writing blog posts with AI. ChatGPT is great for outlining and drafting. Claude AI is better for natural, human-like writing. Prompt: write a 1,000-word SEO blog post on topic, with subheadings, bullet points, and a conclusion. Step 5. SEO Optimization. AI-generated content is not perfect for SEO. You need to refine it further. AI SEO optimization tools. Phrase.io analyzes top-ranking pages and suggests improvements. Grammarly/Hemingway improves readability. Step 6. AI Images and Multimedia. Humans process visuals 60,000 times faster than text. Use AI to create stunning media. AI tools for visuals. Leonardo.ai creates original, copyright-free images by simply typing prompts. In Video AI, turn your blog post into a video for YouTube or Instagram. Canva AI auto-designs social media graphics. Step 7. Publishing and Promotion. It's time to publish, but don't stop there. Use AI tools to schedule and promote your blog across platforms. Use Jetpack AI or Buffer to schedule posts in advance. Ask ChatGPT to create social content. ChatGPT prompt: write a Twitter thread/Instagram caption/email for this blog post. Ready to get started? Choose your niche today and let AI do the heavy lifting.